Okay, then we have a Pedersoli Kentucky 45 caliber Flintlock pistol. Gonna load it with, you can load it up to 24 grains or 25 grains. I'm gonna load it with 18. Of Triple F GoX. I'm using GoX. I'm not using Pyrodex in this because, again, the lock times on Flintlocks, if you use the Pyrodex, it tends to take a little bit longer. So, notice, by the way, the little piece fell off the back of my RAM, but works just fine. Okay, we got a charge seated. We now have to load the pan, and I'm using 4X GoX in the pan. Close the frizzen, pan's full, gun is ready to fire. And let me move up a little bit closer. I think I hit to the right. So, Kentucky Flintlock 45 caliber.